Hi. In this demo of Microsoft Azure, I'm going to show you how you can make use of an image which is in the container registry of Azure and spin it inside a container instance ACI. This is my registry, and I have this repository with this image tagged v1. And this is the same thing, same image here, and this is a container instance. Let's go and I I have the FQDN name handy in my clipboard, so I'll go and paste it here, and this is it. This is coming from this particular container instance. And if I click here, yeah, I go to a different page. So these are the logs. It is based on the Spring Boot 3.2.5. And if I can show any properties, we have the port 8080 available or open for communication, and this is one of the key things. Thank you.